Uh, Alina Umar has asked me, she's confused about the use of ka, ke, and ki. Ka, ke, and ki means of or belongs to. So let's take few examples. Uska kalam. Uska kalam means his pen or her pen. It means the pen belongs to him or her. Uska kalam. As you know, in Urdu, every noun is either masculine or feminine. For masculine noun, for masculine singular noun, we use ka. Ka. In this case, kalam is a masculine noun, and here it is used in a singular sense. So we have used ka, uska kalam, means his pen or her pen. It means the pen belongs to him or to her. Uska kalam. ये उसका कलम है. ये उसका कलम है. ये उसका कलम है. It is his pen or her pen. It is his pen or her pen. ये उसका कलम है. ये उनके कलम है. ये उनके कलम है. It means we use K with plural nouns. In this sentence, ये उनके कलम हैं. Kalam is used in plural sense. So we have used K with this. Kalam is masculine, and in this case we have used kalam in plural sense. So ये उनके कलम हैं. ये उनके कलम हैं. These are their pens. If we use ka, ये उनका कलम है, it means we are using kalam in a singular sense. It will mean these are their pen, and this is their pen. This is their pen. ये उनके कलम हैं. These are their pens. उनका कलम, their pen, and उनके कलम, their pens. ये उनका कलम है. It is their pen. ये उनका कलम है. It is their pen. Here we have used kalam in singular sense, and kalam is masculine, so we have used ka. ये उनका कलम है. It is their pen. ये उनके कलम है. In this sentence we have used kalam in plural sense, and kalam is masculine, so with for masculine plural noun we use K. ये उनके कलम है. These are their pens. These are their pens. उसके कलम. उसके कलम. Here we have used kalam in plural sense. But we are using it for his or her. So उसके कलम. Here we have used kalam in plural sense, and qalam is masculine noun, so we have used ke, uske qalam. His pens or her pens. His pens or her pens. ये उसका कलम है. ये उसका कलम है. Qalam is masculine noun. Here we have used qalam in singular sense. So we have used ka. ये उसका कलम है. It is his pen or her pen. We use ka for masculine singular noun. ये उसका कलम है. ये उसके कलम है. ये उसके कलम है. Here we have used qalam in plural sense. So for plural masculine noun we use ke. ये उसके कलम है. These are his pens or her pens. These are his pens or these are her pens. उनके कलम, their pens. उनके कलम, their pens, because qalam is used here in plural sense. So for masculine plural noun we use ke. उनके कलम, their pens. उसकी किताब, his book or her book. Here we have used ki. We use ki for with feminine nouns. Ki. Here we have used ki. उसकी किताब. ये उसकी किताब है. उसकी किताब, his book or her book. His book or her book. ये उसकी किताब है. It is his book or it is her book. ये उसकी किताब है. ये उसकी किताब है. Because किताब is feminine noun, so we have used की. ये उसकी किताब है. ये उसकी किताबें हैं. ये उसकी किताबें हैं. So ki is used with masculine, with singular or plural feminine nouns. Kitab is here. Kitabein is plural, feminine plural. So we use ki with feminine plural nouns and feminine singular nouns both. ये उसकी किताबें हैं. These are their books. These are their books. उनकी किताब, their book. उनकी किताब, their book. किताब is feminine singular noun. So उनकी किताब, their book. ये उनकी किताब है. It is their book. ये उनकी किताब है. It is their book. ये उनकी किताबें हैं. ये उनकी किताबें हैं. As you know, ki is used with feminine, singular or plural nouns both. ये उनकी किताबें हैं. These are their books. These are their books. उसकी किताबें. उसकी किताबें. His books or her books. उसकी किताबें. His book or her books. Because किताबें is feminine noun, so we have used की. उसकी किताबें. His books or her books. ये उसकी किताबें हैं. ये उसकी किताबें हैं. These are his books or these are her books. किताबें is feminine plural, so we have used ki. Ki is used with feminine singular or feminine plural both. ये उसकी किताबें हैं. These are his books or these are her books. उसके पास. For have or has structures, we use के पास. He has or she has means उसके पास. He has or she has means उसके पास. उसके पास किताब है. He has got book. उसके पास किताब है. Right. He has got. उसके पास किताब है. He's got a book. He's got a book. उसके पास किताब है. He's got a book. उसके पास किताब है. He's got a book. उनके पास they have. उनके पास they have. उनके पास they have. उनके पास किताबें हैं. They have got books. उनके पास किताबें हैं. They have got books.